In this video, we will look into what a stock is, why companies issue stock, and many more details. Stay tuned. Stock represents ownership in a company. By owning shares of stock, you own a piece of a company. If the company does well, the stock may increase in value. If the company doesn't do well, the stock may decrease in value. For example, if a company has 1,000 shares of stock outstanding and one person owns 100 shares, that person would own and have a claim to 10% of the company's assets and earnings. Why do people buy stocks? Investors purchase stocks for a number of reasons. Capital appreciation, dividend payments, which come when the company distributes some of its earnings to stockholders, ability to vote and influence the company. Why do companies issue stock? Companies issue stock to get money for various things, like paying off debt, launching new products, expanding into new markets, and finally, to enlarge their facilities or to build new ones. What kinds of stocks are there? There are two main kinds of stocks: common stock and preferred stock. Common stock entitles owners to vote at shareholder meetings and receive dividends. Preferred stockholders usually don't have voting rights, but they receive dividend payments before common stockholders do, and have priority over common stockholders if the company goes bankrupt and its assets are liquidated. Now, let's go through some benefits and risks of stocks. Over the long term, stocks have the highest potential for growth and results in capital appreciation. Investors who have chosen to hold on to stocks for an extended period of time, say 5 to 10 years, generally have been rewarded with strong, positive returns. But stock prices move down as well. There's no guarantee that the company whose stock you hold will grow and do well, so you can lose money you invest in stocks. Finally, the risks of stock holdings can be offset in part by investing in a number of different stocks, and also by investing in other kinds of assets that are not stocks, such as bonds, gold, and real estate. We will explain about bonds and other investment assets in our future videos. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more financial and stock market content.